Vitamin D is helping me lose weight. About a couple of months ago, I made a video talking about how it was helping me sleep. I started taking it before bed, and I noticed I would sleep through the night better. And I think the reason it's helping me lose weight is because I used to, if I get hungry in the night, I had trouble sleeping, and I would wake up, and then if I would wake up in the night, you know, and I was hungry, I'd usually eat something like peanut butter, you know, to fill me up so I could go back to sleep. But what I've been doing now is I'll take some of this before bed. These are 5,000 IU capsules, so I'd usually take 1 or 2 of these before bed. And then if I do wake up in the night, rather than eat anything, I'll just take another 1 or 2 of these capsules, and I'll usually go back to sleep. And you know, that way I don't have to eat anything. I really haven't been trying to lose weight, but I've noticed I've been losing it, and other people have been pointing that out too. And I've realized, I'm pretty sure it's because, you know, I'm taking this like in the night rather than eating in the night. So you know, there's quite a bit of calories in peanut butter. So you know, I think that's a big part of it. So it helps me sleep. It helps me sleep better, and it helps me lose weight because I can just take this rather than eating at night. So I don't know if this will work for anybody else. I thought I would just make this follow-up video to point out that it's helping me lose weight as well as sleep better. So if anyone wants to try it, I actually got this this bottle off of Amazon. It's about $30. It's 240 capsules. These are 5,000 IU. And I've been taking, sometimes I'll take, you know, 4 or 5 of these at night, and I haven't noticed any side effects or anything from that. So, you know, if it's something anybody wants to try, I just thought I'd make a video and let you guys know. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.